Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and no matter what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just want to say I appreciate people. So, I posted a video yesterday and it was a throwback video. It's a really old video from I think 2015 or somewhere, no, maybe 2017. And um I was just looking through my phone and I found this old video and I realized that that's a video I had never posted. So I just went on ahead and posted it. It wasn't a long video. Um, it was just kind of me reminiscing about when my hair was red and had it up in a bun and I was in, I think, a beauty supply store buying something. And it's one of those videos where your phone asks you if you want to do an animation, and I said yes, if I'm not mistaken. So again, I posted it. And when I woke up, well, not as soon as I woke up, but when I went to check my messages for YouTube, a young lady said, "Oh, nobody wants to comment, but I'm not gonna let that happen, and I'm gonna comment." And I was so appreciative of that, and I'm so appreciative of people who are supportive, and it's usually strangers, people who don't know you at all, who support the business or who support the channel, and it's so helpful and appreciative, and I love that. And so I just wanted to acknowledge her. I didn't look at her name before I posted this video, and I probably should. I looked at her name when I responded, but I'm walking right now, so as I decided to, I just thought while I was walking to do this video, so I didn't look at her name before I started doing this video. But again, the people who know you will act like they don't see your videos. They'll act like they don't see you posting about your business. They will pretend it's not even there. But if you post something silly, they're one of the first ones to respond. So I just wanted to go ahead and say that. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day. I'm thankful and grateful for today. It rained all day yesterday, so I wasn't able to do my walk. And my knee hurts today, but I'm still going to do my walk. And I think my knee is hurting because of the rain. You know how, well, you may not know, but it seems like when you have old injuries or aches and pains, certain body parts will ache when it's raining or when it's really cold. So my knee decided that it was going to be a little troublesome today, but I'm just taking my time because I still want to get my steps in, as they say, and get some good exercise in, because I think my number one goal is to prevent that incident that occurred from happening again. When I was in physical therapy, the physical therapist said it's good to build up the muscle around the nerve because sciatica is nerve pain. So she said it's good to build up the muscle around the nerve, which would help the body be stronger. So that's what my goal is. And so I'm out here in nature, breathing in that good prana, as Ralph Smart would say. He actually says good os. He's from England. That good os prana. So I'm breathing in the good prana from the trees and the flowers and the grass, and it feels good. I have the sweatshirt on and I'm getting a little warm, but it was a little chilly, but it's okay. I'll get an extra cleansing from the sweat. But yeah, I just wanted to share that and say thank you um, to that subscriber who basically um, thought enough to be supportive and um, write a comment. That's always appreciated. I'm always grateful for all the likes, shares, comments, and subscribe. But once she commented on that video and I saw how many people watched the video, I was like, wow, it was like over 600 people. Well, when I looked at it, it was like 559. I think before I left the house, it was up to 675. And so I'm thankful for her comment. And I'm thankful for her. Thankful to her. But again, I'm thankful for all the likes, comments, shares, subscribes, and donations. And booking of appointments. I practice Reiki. I am a yoga instructor. And I'm also a life coach. So I'm thankful to all who appreciate the help that I have to offer, because that's why I'm here. That's why I'm on social media, to help in ways that I've grown, and progress that I've made. I'm here to help others. I grew up, you know, in a single parent household. Was born in an urban area, then moved to what's considered like a black suburb. So from birth to 9, I lived in the urban area. Then from say 9 to 16, I lived in the black suburb. And my mom was really strict, so I couldn't go anywhere or do anything. So I would cut class in order to have a social life and do things, which of course I later, realized that wasn't such a good idea. And not because I got in trouble, but because, which I did get in trouble, but not just because I got in trouble, but because, let's say, for example, algebra was one of those classes that I cut. And although we don't necessarily need algebra, there were times while I was earning my bachelor's degree or my master's degree when some of that algebra would have been helpful. Maybe not necessarily my master's degree, but definitely my bachelor's degree. That algebra would have been helpful. And it's like I was really good in math and really good at algebra because I was one of the students that was picked to take pre-algebra when most of the students were not, in like 8th grade. So anyway, and also with French. So I was signed into homeroom and then cut first period, and first period was French. And then I would go to lunch and cut after lunch, which was algebra. And so again, to my detriment. But anyway, it's saying his phone is low on storage, so I hope that this chat was helpful. And as always, I love y'all. And until the next time, later. Mwah.